Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will show you how to link pages in your WordPress articles. So to do so, it is a very simple process. It will not take a lot of your time, so it will be around 2 minutes of your time to watch this video, and you will be ready to go, and you will be able to link pages in your articles or website or whatever it is. So for example, now let's start with opening the dashboard. How you can open it? By going to wordpress.com/wp-admin. I've already made videos about it, so make sure to watch it after you complete this video. I've already made videos about all of these sections, so you can be super familiar with them. And now let's go ahead and open the dashboard. It will be looking something like that at the beginning, so put your username and email and here your password. After that, this page will be opened, so what you'll have to do is go into pages or posts. Both will work for you. So let's go with posts, and here for example let's get a post. So let's copy this article and paste it here, and here we copy the health eating and we paste it in the title. So now we publish it, and as you can see, nothing is linked in this page. So for example, we want to link this page, which is this article, in the bottom. So what you'll have to do, can make something like by health, or let's copy the name of the website, help guide, which is helpguide.com, and we copy this, we select it, and from here click on this, paste the URL, apply, and click on update. And now if you went to the websites and we clicked in here, it's supposed to take us to the other page. So yep, here it is, it takes us to it. If we go back, it will take us to this page. So guys, that's how you can actually link a page inside of your WordPress website. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.